Hello, I'm going to talk to you about the Ag Business Analyzer, also known as ABA. It's a financial analysis tool that's used by farmers, bankers, and other industry professionals. So what exactly is ABA? Well, it's an analysis template, and it can be downloaded at no cost from the Alberta Agriculture website. In this video series, I'm going to tell you a bit about what it is and how it works, and hopefully at the end of the series, you'll know enough about it to be able to use it in your own application. First of all, a bit of history about the ABA program. The initial development was in 2001. Since that first release, it's gone through many updates and upgrades to the present. It's widely used in the industry, and to this date, there have been over 3,000 downloads. You can access it from the Alberta Agriculture website. Just search Ag Business Analyzer. You'll get a screen that shows downloadable tools. The Ag Business Analyzer will be one of them. Select the Ag Business Analyzer. You can download either the user guide or the ABA template at this point. Complete the online registration, and then the program will download. It might take a few minutes, but you'll have the document, and then you'll need to save it to your own file on your hard drive. Some comments for you once you've downloaded your copy of the ABA program. Save it as a master to your hard file as mentioned. Then every time you use it, save that copy under a different name. If you're using the ABA program on an ongoing basis, I suggest you download a new copy every 6 months, at least once a year. Also, don't move the master around. Keep it as an original, and then copy from that. Now some detail about the ABA program. The document consists of 25 pages falling into 4 sections. First of all, there's the Asset, Debt, Net Worth section. Next, there's the Income, Expense, Profitability section. Thirdly, there's the Cash Flow section. And lastly, there's the Summary section. It contains ratios and financial indicators. The various sections are shown in the tabs on the bottoms of the screens. The template does these things. First of all, it generates a statement of assets, debts, and net worth as of a specific date. Assets are at market value, so the statements are market value statements. It allows entry of up to 5 years of historic asset, debt, and net worth information for comparison purposes. It allows for generation of forward-looking projections. In the projections, accrual adjustments are automatic. An explanation and illustration of accrual adjustments and accrued statements will follow in the commentary on the Income, Expense, and Profitability section. It allows for entry of up to 5 years of past income and expense information for comparison purposes. If desired, accrual adjustments can be applied to those numbers as well, allowing for generation of past numbers on an accrual basis. It allows for cash flow allocations on the projected income statements, so projected cash flow statements can be generated. From the information provided, that's the current statement of assets and debts and projections for the projected year, the ABA program develops a projected pro forma or year-ending statement of assets and debts. From the information provided as well, the ABA program generates 13 financial ratios and indicators. If historical information is provided, it generates them for the past periods as well. Finally, the program defines industry standards for the financial ratios and indicators and compares the results generated to those standards. Some user tips about using the program. First of all, when you open it, you may see a small window that asks if you want to download the macros or the content. You'll want to do that. Also remember that this is an Excel program, so Excel rules apply. You'll notice at the bottom of the page there are tabs, and the tabs represent the pages. So you'll click on the tab to open the page that you want. Also, you'll see the scroll bars to the right and the bottom of the page. So you'll use those to move up or down on the page or to move across. You'll see white, green, yellow, and blue cells. Make your entries in the white cells. The colored cells are protected, so you can't enter in them. The exception to that is the title page. All those cells are green. Don't delete with a space bar. Instead, delete or space the entry out. Don't cut and paste. Instead, copy, paste, and then delete. As well, watch for the little red triangles in the cells. They contain comment boxes, and you'll find the information in them very helpful in using the program. As you can see, the ABA program does a lot. Because of its numerous automated features, when information is provided as required, alternatives can easily be entered and scenarios reviewed. It acts as a kind of a financial simulator.